Ecoflow. I want 220 volt AC. This one I cannot get out of the Delta 2, so I get this one, the inverter 2500 pure sine wave from this. Right now I'm taking out like 2.5 amps, 5 amps. It come in here and it goes over there. I have two 4 OLED in the garage and the kitchen, but it's cold outside, so instead of running new wires, I got this one for 155. I already have this. I still need to replace the heater element from here and here. These two are good. Chị thì battery của tôi vi rồi đấy. Thì mà quanh này. Thì mà. Thì nào sana thì nào sa con này. Nó khu salon run lâu dài mà làm tiêu chi mà nó. Let's see how many watt. So 240 times 10, 2500. So it's about the range. I want to see how much I can get out of this. What sang pick your son? Này chị. Thế mà. A breaker trick. 5 amps.